Hello dear friends, let's see practice set 19. I will read the question. Draw the pairs of angles as described below. If that is not possible, say why. Look at the first problem. Complementary angles that are not adjacent. We have to draw figure here. Complementary angles that are not adjacent. Complementary angles we can draw adjacent as well as separate also. What is the main condition? Their addition should be 90 degree. So here you can draw any two angles which addition is 90 degree. You can draw 60 degree, 30 degree. You can draw 70 degree, 20 degree. You can draw 40 degree, 50 degree. Only the addition should be 90 degree. And they are not adjacent means they should be separate. See here, complementary angles that are not adjacent. Here I have drawn one angle ABC of 30 degree and another angle PQR of 60 degree. 30 plus 60 90. So they are complementary angles, but they are not adjacent because they are separate. Here it is not compulsory. You have to draw only 30 and 60 degree. You can draw complementary angles with your own. You take the different measures. Only remember their addition should be 90 degree. You can draw 40, 50, 70, 20 as you wish. Okay. First question understood? Angles which are not adjacent but they are complementary. So here I have drawn two angles. One of 30 degree, one of 60 degree. So angle ABC and angle PQR are complementary angles. Here you can draw with your own, with your mind. You can give names also with your mind. No problem. You will get the correct answer. See the second one. Angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. As I have told you, see here also the definition is given. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. So we can't draw this figure because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. So how can we draw the figure? See here, angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. So what is the answer? It is not possible to draw because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. So we can't draw this figure. See the third one. Complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. Complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. So here we want the angles complementary. Means their addition should be 90 degree and not form a linear pair. So it is possible to draw. You draw like this way. Here I have drawn one 90 degree angle and drawn one ray here. So we got two adjacent angle, one 50 degree, one 40 degree. So this is the figure of complementary angles which are not linear. They are adjacent but they are not linear. So complementary angles that do not form linear pair. So we can draw this figure. 50 degree and 40 degree. They are complementary but they are not linear. Now fourth one. Adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. Adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. Now we know that linear pair is always adjacent angles because common vertex, common arm and interiors are different. So it is also not possible. Adjacent angles which are not a linear pair, it is not possible to draw such type of figure because angles in a linear pair are always adjacent angles. See the fifth one. Angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. You have to draw two angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. Means how to draw the angles? Here you can draw with your own. The addition should not be 90 degree and the angle should not be adjacent. So here you can draw any two angles. I have drawn here one angle 110 degree and one angle of 30 degree. So they are not complementary because their addition is not 90 degree. Similarly, as I have drawn them separate, they are not adjacent. Here also you can draw any two angles which addition is not 90 degree. Of your own choice, you can draw here two different angles. Only remember they should not adjacent and their addition should not be 90 degree. Because we don't want complementary and don't want the adjacent. So draw separately, but remember their addition should not be 90 degree. And now the last one, angles in a linear pair which are complementary. Now as we know, angles in linear pair are supplementary. So how it is possible? It is not possible to draw angles in linear pair which are complementary because it is not possible to draw, because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary angles. So how we can draw complementary? Because they are always, angles in a linear pair are always adjacent as well as always supplementary. So it is not possible to draw such type of figure. Thank you.